This is a fantastic observation. I wanted to answer this last night, but I needed to get in the farm to show you the progression of all of this. When I first started, I was using these bucket sifters. And what I found is I needed more surface area of the mesh in order to go through the volume I was producing at the time. And so that's when, sneak peek, that's when I made these. And all I had on me at the time when I did this were the roofing screws. I had the mesh, I had the container, I had these screws. I just tried it to get a prototype basically, with the intention that if it worked, I would do something less pointy, because there are times when I reach down in here. And as you can see, I never got around to doing less pointy. However, when I had to make more of these with different mesh, I did move to the rivets. So I went ahead and got the rivet gun, went through the motion of having to drill all this stuff, line it all up, test it out, make sure I got enough rivets in there to handle the weight. And this has been in operation for many, many months now. However, for whatever reason, I still have not adjusted these yet. Maybe it's just ADHD, or there's just too much going on here right now with all the work, not to mention the snow and the snow days and the backlog. It just seems like there's always something happening, and I just never got around to fixing what was in, or fixing these to remove the screws and make it less pointy, so that I'm not risking poking myself when I use that thing.